Hey, how's it, guys? My name is Beckham Kunu. I'm the developer on TrustBar, but today I'm gonna bring you something to solve all your Matic network issues. If you've been using the Matic network over the last couple of months, you would have seen how slowly everything has degraded. I've also been struggling more and more as I've started developing TrustBar and integrating to the Matic network. I was testing another procedure the other day, another contract the other day on the mainnet, and I actually got stuck with an approval which you need to submit to approve the contract to spend your tokens before you can actually do a swap. My MetaMask was showing that my transaction is submitted. The website that I was testing out was showing that the transaction is submitted, but it was nowhere to be found on Polygon Scan or on the Matic network. If you like me, initially I got my RPC config for Matic from their website, which was this. Immediately I had problems with the top one. Eventually I moved to the quick note one, which worked quite well for a couple of months. I'd say April, May, I was happy with it. But towards the end of May, it just degraded very badly. I thought maybe it's because there's a lot of people now on the network, and also because I started developing TrustBar, so I eventually actually upgraded to QuickNode Premium. I got my own server. I was paying about $100 a month, and it was slightly better than this, but every other day, maybe once, twice a week, I would have an issue. Eventually, this week, it got to a point where I could not take it anymore, where it was actually now blocking my development and testing and other transactions that I was doing on the network. So I actually even spent time looking at setting up my own node, as we might need it for TrustBar, and I looked at the config, there's the full node deployment information, and I was ready to go and checking out Google Cloud, ready to set it up. And then I Googled for some other options, and then I found this really, really great option called Pokt. Pokt is Web3 infrastructure done the right way. Basically, they already support 12 networks, including some of the bigger ones and some of the new up-and-coming ones. Essentially on Pokt, Pokt itself is a network, and the node operators get rewarded in Pokt for every RPC request. A free sign-up that I'm going to show you, you get about 1 million free requests a month, which will be more than enough for the average user. So if you're struggling with the Matic network, get yourself an RPC endpoint here and try it out, and let me know in the comments down below if it sorts out your issue like it did mine. Getting onto Pokt is simple. You just say get an endpoint, get started, and then you're gonna get a prompt where you need to sign up. From there you'll get a confirmation email. Once you've signed up, you land on a dashboard like this. That will show you your network and the details of the Pokt network. That's the successful relays, and this is all the networks that are available that you can use: Coven, Rinkeby, Avalanche, Solana, Fuse, Polygon. So yeah, all the networks are here. From there, you just need to go and choose create endpoint, type your test app or whatever that you want. There's my MetaMask one. I won't show you my endpoint. And then you tick the network and click launch, and you're ready to get your new RPC URL endpoint that you can use in your MetaMask. And it's that simple. Pokt has been a lifesaver for me. So I recommend that if you're having RPC issues on Matic, try it out. It's free and you will not regret it. Cheers, guys. And if you have any comments, please, in the comments, do it.